Hey everyone, in today's video, we are diving into an important topic for iPhone users: how to clear the cache in the Facebook app. Start by opening the Facebook app on your iPhone. Tap on the menu icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down and select Setting and Privacy. Then tap Settings. Under the Media and Contact section, choose Browser. From there, tap Clear next to the Cookies and Cache option. When prompted, confirm by tapping Clear again to complete the process. In addition to clearing the cache within the Facebook app, you can also offload the app itself. To do this, open the Settings app on your iPhone and go to the General. Tap on iPhone Storage. Then scroll down and select Facebook. Choose the Offload App option and confirm your decision by typing Offload App again. If you want to go further and completely remove all data associated with the Facebook app, including its cache, you can delete and reinstall the app. Press and hold the Facebook app icon on your home screen. Tap Remove App, then select Delete App and confirm by tapping Delete. Next, open the App Store, search for Facebook and download the app again. Once it's installed, launch the app and sign in with your credentials. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, goodbye.